Got a D22 file from your tax preparer or accounting workflow? This is a Drake software tax return file from the 2022 tax year. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through accessing these Drake software 2022 tax files. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single, robust D22 file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. D2.2. Files are tax return data files created by Drake software for the 2022 tax year. They contain complete federal and state tax return information, including taxpayer data, income, deductions, credits, and calculated tax liabilities used by professional tax preparers for individual and business tax filings. D2.2. Files use a proprietary format specific to Drake software storing tax return data with structured information for IRS forms, schedules, and worksheets. The format includes encrypted taxpayer identification information form, values, calculation results, and audit trails, meeting IRS data security requirements for tax preparation software. You will typically find Drake Tax 2022 developed by Drake software associated with D2.2. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows gives a simple file-level view, but understanding the data requires specialized software. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your D2.2 file and select Open With. If Drake Tax 2022 is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed reader. If the D2.2 file is still giving you trouble, relax. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, opening in Drake software. Launch Drake Tax 2022 and use File then Open to load the D22 file. The software displays the complete tax return with all forms and schedules populated. Drake Tax 2022 is the only application that fully supports D22 files for editing, review, and electronic filing of the tax return. Next, generating PDF reports. Within Drake Tax export the return as PDF for sharing with clients or archival purposes. Use the print menu and select PDF output format. The PDF preserves all form data calculations and supporting schedules in a portable format viewable in any PDF reader without requiring Drake software. Finally, migrating to newer versions. Use Drake software's update utilities to migrate D22 files to current tax year format for amendments or reference. The software provides automated conversion preserving all taxpayer data while updating to current tax law changes. This ensures continued access to historical tax returns across software versions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.